Hey everyone, I'm Anwar, a front-end developer and a funnel expert. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to build a fully functional checkout page using Funnelish. From setting up your product and payment gateway to customizing the design and testing the entire flow. Whether you are a business owner, funnel builder, or freelancer, this guide will help you create a high converting checkout system that works smoothly and looks professional. So let's dive right in. So here you see an example that we are going to replicate for this tutorial. So first we are going in our Funnelish funnels and we are going to create a new funnel. So here we select the Funnelish plus and continue. Then we are going to give a name for this funnel. So we are going to give it a name which is try below. Try below. So we are going to select the build from scratch and then click on this button, create funnel. And here we are now going to click on this new step. Then again we are select build from scratch, then continue, and from the step type we are going to select the checkout. So we are giving a unique step path URL, and now I am going to change my funnel domain to some custom domain, and then here. So after doing all this, the first step is adding our products. So here you see the first product, then the second product, then the third product. Okay. So in the first product, we have the name is Onyx Helper Spray. So we are going to copy it. Then going back to our funnel, here we create a new product. Click on this button, and then here product types is on type. So all of our product type will be on time product, and we are giving it the name we just copied. And so the price is $39.97. Now we are going to click on this product to add more details like image and display price and all other things. So first we are going to add the product image. We clicking on this rectangle, then going back, and we have image downloader. So here is our image downloader. We are going to get it from here. So we are downloading the original items. So we are saving it. Now going back, uploading the image just downloaded here. Selecting the image. So it will take some moment to preview to come in a preview. So in meanwhile, we are going to add this text in our display price option. So we just pasted it here. Now click on this save changes button. So duplicating the first product, and we are now click on this buy 2 get 2 free 4 months. and we are updating this text from the source. And now we are going to get this image, I mean download it, download the original JPG, then uploading this image. So as you see, the second one is highlighted and select by default. So we are turn this on, select by default, and also turn the highlight. So now click on this substances. We need to do one thing, which is updating the price. It's $79.97. So now we're going to download this image. Changing the image. Meanwhile, we copy this text and pasting it here. Turn off this highlight and select by default things, and click on this substances button. We need to update the price as well. Sorry, I just forget that. So here. So now all three products is added here, but we have some things to do here, which is adding this product, these three items, I mean. So let's do it. The first one is this on 10-step guide. So it is a free product, so we are not giving any price here, but we'll change the product image. So click on these substances. Then we are going to create this item. Price is 0 as it is free, and we are going to download the image of this product. So this way you will add all the products. So now we need to hide all these free products from the product list. So we are going to product setting, and we are turning off from here. So now we are going to edit this page. So now open this page in new tab with the Funnelish page builder. So here you see our page just opened in Funnelish page builder. So at first we are going to remove all the padding from the body, and now we are going to add the first section. So first we'll add this header. So before adding that, we'll check the mobile version as well, so that we can make it mobile optimized by default, and we are minimize duplicating the same section for the different device, so that the page load fast. So we check how it is look on mobile. So here we see on the desktop we have three elements on the header. I mean three row or column. Sorry, three column. And now we are going to create this on our page. So first we are going to create. We're already added the section. Now we are going to add a column. It will on row column. And then now we're going to get the background color of this section, I mean the header. Just pasted the hex code, the code we just copied from that page. And now I'll add padding around this row, so 10 pixel around this row, so that we get a space in all devices sorry, when it is in desktop or tablet or mobile, so we get all space around the section on all device, so it will look good. So here now we are going to add container, removing the margin top and adding three boxes here. And item, we are going to click item alignment to center. So first we'll add our logo. So click on this plus icon to add an image element. By default, any element you add on this page, you will have the margin top. So I always remove this margin top margin if I don't need that. So we are going to set a max width for the image. So here you see, on selecting the image, you will have this option, and here you see max width. So we are going to give it 210 pixel max width, and we are align it to left. Now our secure checkout text, we are going to copy this text, going back to our page, adding paragraph, removing margin top from here, and then pasting it, or the text we just copied, and the text size is around 20 pixel exactly. So we are increasing our font size or text size, and removing the padding as well, and increasing the line space to something around 1.5. Then our next column text, so this is the contact information. We are going to duplicate or clone this secure checkout things. Now adding the contact us, So before adding the contact us text, we are duplicating this as well for our next text. Here are the text. So we are going to decreasing the font size for this. 17 is a good for our device, or we can give it 18 pixel. So let's see it in preview. So here you see all of this element is aligned center and looking good as well. So now we are going to work on this body, and then we'll work on this footer. So now add a new section. Here we'll add a new row and add padding 10 pixel around this row. Then we will add a container with two column, I mean the two boxes with some box shadow like this. And then in the first box we'll add the content on the left side, and then add the content on the right side. So let's add the container with two box, add some space between them. So to add some space between them, I'm going to add a class called gap 15 pixel or gap 15. And now going to more actions, then custom code, and here I'm going to add the class or CSS with the CSS, I mean, so gap 15 pixel. So here you see a little space between the box. And for this container, we're going to add a shadow like this. So here we're selecting the color to black and increasing the size, then blur it. So keep it like this now for now, and we'll adjust if we'll adjust it up further if required. So now we're going to add some padding for this container around 10 pixel, and now click on this first box to add another container. Okay, so removing the margin top, and we'll add border. Here you see the border. Now on pixel solid and border color is this. We're going to get the border color. So adding the border on pixel solid and add this color here. And we need to add padding as well. So the padding is 10 pixel around the container. We're going to duplicate this container and adding this on this right side box as well. So now the first we add this text, which is 18 pixel in size. So add paragraph, remove margin top value, then removing the padding, align to left, then paste the text here. Make it bold. It already has the 18 pixel the value for the font size. So I'll keep it like this, and then we are going to add these things, the stars and the text. So as you see here, this thing is aligned to center, and so we are going to do this. First we'll add the text, center it. Let's see, the font size is 15 pixel, bold is 4.8 rating, and we're going to add some space for these things. So 20 pixel on top, but we're going to give it 15 pixel and add the image for the star image, I mean. So downloading it and uploading this star image. So we're going to decreasing the size and save it. Let's increasing a bit of this size. Okay. So we are going to add a class here, flex center. So refresh the page now, and now here we are going to you see the class name here. We just added flex center, and now we are going to add some CSS for this item. So display flex, align item center, justify content center. We're going to add gap 10 pixel. So now we are going to add a width for the image. I mean a max width for the image, which is 100 pixel. Or 80 pixel. So it looks nice, right? So if we notice the box shadow has a different value, which is blur 5, spread 3, and it has a negative value. And the color, we need to copy the color. The color is different, like this. So this would be our box shadow. And next we'll add this little box with a little icon here. So if you need any help for creating a custom checkout page like this, you can reach me out. You will find my contact in the video description.